General 27 Regulations, Maintenance Forms, Records and Publications. Delving into the operational facets of aircraft maintenance as outlined in 14 CFR Part 91, Section 91.7. A. We encounter a fundamental principle. No person may operate a civil aircraft unless it is in an airworthy condition. Let's dissect the key components. Firstly, the definition of airworthy involves two critical elements. The aircraft must conform to its approved type design, ensuring that it meets the specifications set during its design and certification. Additionally, it must be in a condition for safe operation, emphasizing the importance of its physical state for secure flight. Responsibilities during the pre-flight inspection are pivotal. Pilots play a crucial role in determining the condition for safe operation during pre-flight inspections. The assessment of conformity to type design is often facilitated through meticulous examination of maintenance records. The onus of ensuring airworthiness before operation squarely falls on the shoulders of the pilot. This emphasizes the pilot's accountability for the overall safety and condition of the aircraft before taking it into the skies. In this symbiotic relationship between pilots and maintenance professionals, ethical technicians aim to assist customers in understanding their responsibilities in maintaining and documenting aircraft airworthiness. This collaborative effort underscores the shared commitment to aviation safety and operational integrity. In the realm of aircraft maintenance under 14 CFR Part 91, Subpart E unfolds with its distinct regulations. It's noteworthy that certain sections within this subpart do not apply when the aircraft operates under 14 CFR Part 121, 125, 129, or 135. The focal point in Section 91.403 is the critical responsibility of owners and operators in maintaining an aircraft's airworthiness. This involves meticulous compliance with all applicable airworthiness directives, ADs, with the FAA directly communicating new AD notes to registered owners. Adherence to guidelines in 14 CFR Part 43, Manufacturer's Manuals, and Instructions for Continued Airworthiness, ICA, is paramount. It extends to mandatory replacement times, inspection intervals, and procedures specified in FAA-approved operation specifications, collectively ensuring optimal aircraft condition. Moving forward, Section 91.405 centers on the obligations of owners and operators concerning inspections and discrepancies. Their role encompasses arranging necessary inspections, overseeing proper repair of identified discrepancies in accordance with Part 43 regulations, and validating accurate entries in the aircraft's maintenance records. In cases of inoperative instruments or equipment, the appropriate placarding of these items as inoperative adds an extra layer of safety. Transitioning to Section 91.407, we enter the realm of aircraft operation after maintenance, preventive maintenance, or alteration. The return to service, RTS, process is a pivotal stage. After maintenance, a meticulous entry in the maintenance records initiates the approval for RTS. In instances where the maintenance significantly alters flight characteristics, a qualified pilot must conduct an operational flight check, documenting the outcomes. Ground testing and inspection play a crucial role, and the owner or operator bears the responsibility for ensuring inspections, repairs, and accurate record-keeping are carried out effectively. Section 91.409 guides us into the nuanced landscape of inspections. The annual inspection is a fundamental requirement, with exceptions for certain scenarios, including aircraft under special flight permits or those inspected under approved programs in accordance with Part 125 or 135. Additionally, turbine-powered rotorcraft have specific provisions. For aircraft used for hire, an additional inspection every 100 hours is mandated, with flexibility granted for a progressive inspection program. This program, subject to approval by the local Flight Standards District Office, FSDO, enables a phased approach to inspections, ensuring both airworthiness and operational continuity. Diving further into inspection programs, we encounter continuous airworthiness inspection in the Approved Aircraft Inspection Program, AAIP, which is limited to Part 135 operators. Operators have the flexibility to choose between the manufacturer's recommended program or one approved locally, with subsequent changes requiring local approval. In Section 91.411, often referred to as the 411 test, the regulations prescribe comprehensive testing requirements for the static pressure system, altimeter instruments, and automatic pressure altitude reporting systems. This evaluation must occur every 24 calendar months, with additional testing for the static system when it has been opened and closed. The ATC transponder's automatic pressure altitude reporting system also requires testing in conjunction with Appendix E of 14 CFR Part 43. Limited to the aircraft manufacturer, certified repair stations, or qualified airframe mechanics. These tests are crucial for maintaining system integrity and ensuring aircraft safety. However, calibration and maintenance of related instruments are prohibited for airframe technicians per 14 CFR Part 65, Section 65.81, with exceptions for repair stations holding an instrument rating under 14 CFR Part 145, Section 145.59. Continuing to Section 91.413, this regulation introduces the 413 test, also mandated every 24 months, focusing on testing the ATC transponder and its system. Similar to the 411 test, authorized individuals, including the aircraft manufacturer, certified repair stations, or holders of continuous airworthiness maintenance programs under 14 CFR Part 121 or 135, are exclusively permitted to conduct these tests. These examinations are essential for maintaining aviation system integrity and ensuring aircraft safety. Section 91.415 delves into the topic of changes to aircraft inspection programs. If the FAA determines that revisions are necessary for an inspection program approved under either 14 CFR Part 91, Section 91.409 or 91.1109, the owner, operator is obligated to implement the specified changes. In the event of contestation, the owner, operator has the option to formally petition the FAA for reconsideration within 30 days of receiving the change request. This structured approach ensures a balanced resolution process while prioritizing safety and regulatory compliance. In Section 91.417, the focus shifts to maintenance records, a critical aspect of the aviation industry. The section categorizes records into specific and general types, outlining requirements for testing records every 24 months and mandating the constant presence of FAA Form 337 for fuel tank installations. Importantly, while there's no requirement for maintenance records to be carried on the aircraft, a strategic filing and backup system is recommended. Subparagraphs A.1 and A.2 delineate records to be retained for specific durations, and C. mandates their availability to the administrator or authorized NTSB representatives upon request. The importance of understanding and implementing this section is underscored, emphasizing the role of maintenance technicians in guiding owner-operators through its nuances. Compliance with these regulations is not merely procedural, it's integral to safety, meticulous record-keeping, and regulatory adherence. In Section 91.419, the regulation addresses the transfer of maintenance records during aircraft sales. It emphasizes the common industry practice of maintenance records transferring with the aircraft, either in clear language or coded form. Even if the purchaser allows the seller to retain the records, the current owner-operator is obligated to provide these records to the FAA or NTSB upon request. This underscores the significance of transparency and accessibility in maintaining a comprehensive maintenance history during changes of ownership. Moving on to Section 91.421, the focus shifts to the concept of zero time in aircraft engine maintenance. Although the term is not explicitly defined, the regulation provides clarity on its implications. In the context of engine rebuilding, particularly when conducted by the engine manufacturer or an approved agency, the engine may receive a new maintenance record indicating no previous operating history. This record must include a signed statement detailing the rebuild date, any changes made in compliance with Airworthiness Directive, AD, notes, and confirmation of adherence to relevant manufacturer's service bulletins, SB. This meticulous documentation serves to ensure transparency and compliance with regulatory standards in the maintenance of aircraft engines. If you click like and subscribe and leave a comment, we will provide a coupon for a free PDF download, one of 9 ebooks. However, each individual can only download up to 1 out of 9 ebooks for free.